Hi, I'm Jamie McVeigh. I'm a final year medical student at the University of Oxford, and I've come to Denler British School today to talk about the future. So today I discussed with the year 7s, 8s and 9s their careers and how they should best approach the next few years of their life with regards to choosing GCSEs, choosing A Levels, getting work experience, and then applying to university in order that they can get a degree and pursue their careers from there. I spoke to the children today about the importance of taking it in a step-by-step basis, but at the same time being ambitious and trying to have an end goal. But the most important thing is that they try to make small goals for themselves and succeed in those, and that'll gradually build up to becoming successful and getting to university. I wish all the students here at Denler British School, particularly those that I spoke to today in years 7, 8 and 9, who have all this exciting career, the career path to come, I wish them all the best luck in pursuing their careers and striving to fulfill their goals in the future.